This is Iron Wasp, a new aerial interception system designed to give ground forces a faster and more flexible way to deal with the growing threat of enemy drones on the battlefield. Developed through a collaboration between Rafael, a well-known name in defense technology, and SpearUAV, a company specializing in AI-powered autonomous systems, Iron Wasp is built to bring drone interception capabilities directly to combat vehicles operating on the move. Modern battlefields are changing rapidly, and drones have become one of the biggest challenges facing military forces around the world. From commercially modified quadcopters to sophisticated loitering munitions designed to strike from above, these low-cost aerial threats can appear with little warning. Traditional defenses alone are often not enough, which is why many armed forces are moving toward layered protection strategies that combine multiple technologies working together. Rafael has spent years developing systems designed to protect military platforms from a wide range of threats. These include active protection systems for armored vehicles, counter-drone solutions capable of detecting and neutralizing hostile aircraft, remote weapon stations that improve battlefield awareness, and even laser-based technologies aimed at providing cost-effective engagement options. The goal has always been to create a connected network of defensive tools, rather than relying on a single solution. Iron Wasp adds another layer to that approach. Instead of depending entirely on larger air defense assets located elsewhere, this system allows combat vehicles to carry their own aerial interceptor. Mounted directly onto ground platforms through a compact multi-canister launcher, Iron Wasp is designed to launch quickly whenever a threat is detected. That means crews can respond to fast-moving drones without lengthy preparation or complicated procedures. The system is based on technologies developed within SpearUAV's Viper family of autonomous weapon systems. By combining SpearUAV's expertise in encapsulated drone technology with Rafael's experience in integrating combat-proven defense solutions, the two companies aim to deliver an interceptor that fits naturally into existing force protection networks. One of Iron Wasp's standout features is its immediate readiness. It is intended to remain on standby and launch on demand against maneuvering, loitering, or difficult-to-detect aerial targets. In situations where seconds matter, reducing response time can make a significant difference. Another important advantage is its low size, weight, and power requirements. This compact design allows Iron Wasp to be integrated onto a variety of armored vehicles, personnel carriers, and tactical platforms, without placing major demands on available space or onboard resources. The multi-canister launcher itself is designed for straightforward installation, because it can connect with a vehicle's existing command and control systems without extensive modifications. Military operators may be able to add this capability across different fleets more efficiently. Iron Wasp also uses an open architecture design. In practical terms, that means it can work alongside a range of sensors and engagement systems, allowing armed forces to tailor the solution to their specific operational needs. This flexibility could make it suitable for a wide variety of missions and platform types. As unmanned threats continue to evolve, defense technologies are adapting right alongside them. Iron Wasp represents another step in that evolution, focusing on mobility, rapid response, and integration. Rather than acting as a standalone system, it is designed to become part of a broader protective network that helps ground forces detect, track, and defeat emerging aerial threats wherever they operate. The battlefield of the future is likely to feature even greater use of autonomous systems on both sides. Solutions like Iron Wasp highlight how defense companies are working to ensure that ground units have access to protective capabilities that are just as agile and adaptable as the threats they face.